Hey everybody, welcome to Kira Collective. Of course, I'm Kira. Hey girl, if you're an old friend, and welcome if you ain't never been. So today, I'm going to be doing a little refresh of my dining room area and my living room. So I'm going to be doing some little wall decor. So a couple pieces I already have in there that I'm going to repurpose, move stuff around, give it a new little feel, and some things I'm going to be adding. So let's go in here and take a look at what's going on. I have these here, which are already on the wall here, but I painted these about a couple years ago. So these are over here on this space, but I'm going to be moving them, and then I'm going to add something else here. Then I have these little mirrors here, which are out of order. He put them up there out of order after he painted, and he put everything back up. So, but they're not going to be staying there anyway, so it don't matter. I also have this huge mirrored clock here that I'm going to be putting in a different space. And then here I made me a little bar nook here, and me and the kids put this together.
My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, two pieces to a cake. She'll keep plus one, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey, you know how sticky it get.
How this looks. I have this huge little wine painting, which I'm going to be removing and replacing with something else. Then I have these, which I also painted myself, but I'm going to be putting something else there. So I just came from Michael's from picking up online order. I got these canvases here, and I'm actually going to be doing some DIY I'm gonna be doing some DIY wall decor. So I'm about to go change so I can get started on my paintings. So some of the things I'm gonna be painting for the dining room and some for the living room. So let's go change. Okay, so here's my setup of materials. So I'm about to get started.
Shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, they said my nigga fat shit. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch, that's for that. Come with me about niggas who I don't even find a track. I don't know that nigga, I just see them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga. shine, but that's why I love the Mars. Riding through my turning up, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my out, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm hood as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I'm fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got case open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's what my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass feet, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitch is sweet, and I always get my lick back. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting on that big talk. Okay, say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Put the band of crystal, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Put the band of crystal, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Okay, so this is all the paints that I've done so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang the ones in the living room to see if I want to add more or not. Here's a sneak peek of the living room decor. So that middle picture right there, I already had that. I think it's from Burlington, and then those little rhinestone thingies I believe are from Burlington as well. So I really love how this part of the wall came out. And there's those other two paintings on this side of the wall. So like I said, I'm not done. Have to do a lot more in here, but this is just a little peek. Okay, so here's this area here. So I have the little shelf right there where I'm gonna stack waters and drinks on that shelf. Then the little home thing, I got it from Dollar Tree, the little wooden home sign. And then here is my paintings. It's not exactly how I wanted it, but I made it work because I didn't feel like doing any more painting, so I just stuck with what I had, and this is how it turned.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Better fucking something. I need some like in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? I want getting fucked up tonight.
Okay, so hey y'all, know I have not been talking much throughout this vlog, but I'm about to get ready to go ahead and cook dinner. So let's go in here and do that.
My brother name was $10. Stop all that back and forth over the night. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exam. I saw her turn to a CEO. So the lifestyle she respect. Hey, too
Don't do my back, please.
she only do it right back. They only giving niggas plus one, so I never pull up to the man. You know I gotta bring the step. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the game block. Cause you know I stick it deep. Hey. Hey, Drea. Drea.
That's enough?
That's right, Kevin. Stay in the kitchen, find out what's going on.
My hands are clean and I'm cooking.
My brother niggas $10, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mom wish I would have been corporate, she wish I would have been exec. Still turned to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Two sprints to the bank.
Or a little bit more. This one right here. It's soft and soft. Just have to get the end of that chicken.
Yeah. You got them punch over.
No. Yeah, don't put that. Alright, that's enough. Y'all need so good. It's a lot though.
Hey, your ass down, man. 19, you got
No, what that parsley?
14, 18. You got a lot.
That's enough. Shit! Parsley ain't got no flavor though. I know, but just make it look gourmet.
What to do?
My brother name was $10, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mom wish I would have went corporate, she wish I would have been exec. Still turned to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, two sprints to a bank. Sure, he doing no bank. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the bank. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G-Block. You know I gotta bring the D-Block, cause you know how sticky it gets.
Hey, yo, fat dead ass.
No, I can't do it. Well, look. How do you do that? You look? Okay, let's do some seasoning on it.
Salt and pepper. What them is?
How much of this is? I wouldn't trust myself with this salt.
My brother name was $10, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mom wish I would have been corporate, she wish I would have been exec. Still turned to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, two sprints to a bank. Sure, he doing no bank. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the bank.
Like this?
You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G-Block. You know I gotta bring the D-Block, cause you know how sticky it gets.
Kamryn?
Don't cut.
Who?
Don't cut. I heard that word.
Dang. What you got now?
Can't do that like this. Let me do that. That one? Yeah. It was something like that. Well, how you gonna
My brother name was $10, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mom wish I would have
That's not.
took down my bars.
You better go down.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up.